In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save screener in TradingView. First, open TradingView and head to the top navigation bar. Hover over Products, then choose Screeners. From there, select the market you want to analyze, such as stocks, ETFs, bonds, or crypto coins. Picking the right market at the start ensures your filters and columns apply to the correct universe of symbols. Next, set up your screen with the filters and column data you need. Filters help you narrow thousands of symbols into a focused watch list. For example, you might filter by price range, market capitalization, volume, sector, or performance metrics. Adjust these until the results match your criteria. Then customize your columns so the data you care about is front and center. Add, remove, or reorder columns to highlight things, like last price, percent change, relative volume, or fundamentals. If you prefer a particular view, set your sorting by clicking a column header, such as sorting by volume or performance, so the most relevant results appear at the top. Once your screener looks right, it's time to save it. At the top left of the screener, locate the drop-down next to the screen's name. Click it and choose Save Screen. You can also press Ctrl+S as a quick shortcut. Saving captures the exact state of your setup at that moment, so take a second to confirm the filters. Columns and sorting are exactly how you want them. When you save, TradingView stores your active filters, your custom column set, your column sorting, and the name of the template. That means the next time you open this screen, everything will load just the way you left it. No need to rebuild your layout. Give the template a clear descriptive name so you can recognize it instantly, especially if you plan to create multiple screens for different strategies or time frames. From here, you can continue refining your filters or columns and save again if you make improvements. Think of your screener as a living template that evolves with your workflow. The more precise your filters and the cleaner your columns, the faster you'll move from scanning to decision making. And that's all it. Thanks for watching.